right, shifting our focus to breaking news that's coming in, and this is in regard with the major terror plot that had been foiled by the Jammu and Kashmir police in Faridabad and Haryana. Republic has now accessed the picture of one of the JEM terrorists who has now been arrested. He is a doctor who was working in Kashmir. There are 7 JEM terrorists, remember, who have been nabbed by the Jammu and Kashmir police and the Faridabad police. This was a joint operation that was carried out earlier this morning. We got that information about how there was nearly 300 kg of ammunition that was recovered, so much so that it could have blown nearly a whole area. Now, a team of Jammu and Kashmir police had found 350 kg of ammonium nitrate and AK-47 rifle and ammunition from Faridabad and Haryana. Now, the massive arms were made just days after police arrested a Kashmiri doctor from Uttar Pradesh's Saharanpur, and this is the first picture of that terrorist suspect. Now, he has been allegedly putting up posters supporting terror outfit Jaish-e-Mohammed in Srinagar. Police sources have also said that they do not know as of yet on what the plan was behind amassing explosives so close to the national capital, and a thorough investigation is currently underway to find out more details. As I told you already, there are 7 Jaish terrorists that have already been arrested today by the Jammu and Kashmir police. The NIA is expected to take over the probe, and remember, the Jaish-e-Mohammed terrorists had their tentacles spread not just across Jammu and Kashmir and Uttar Pradesh, but also to the regions of Delhi NCR. Zeenat, my colleague, is joining me live on the broadcast on that. Zeenat, take us to the timeline of this case. We learned that these people, there are 7 JEM terrorists who have already been arrested. Some of them were from Srinagar, some of them are working as doctors. Compile the information and share it with our viewers, please.
See, the picture that we are beaming on the screen is of Muzammil Ahmed Sheikh. He comes from the Koil of South Kashmir, a resident of South Kashmir, and also been a student of GMC Anantnag, where from he completed his MBBS. In fact, the GNC is the place where from this entire story started, when a assault rifle was recovered by the J&K police after conducting thorough search, and it was found from the locker of Dr. Adil. And since then, the investigations were going on. The 3 doctors, the professionals, have been into the custody of the Jammu and Kashmir police, along with the other investigating agencies. The central investigating agencies are right now digging the role of the doctors as far as the ammonium nitrate is concerned. Because see, the press briefer, even if we analyze, the ammonium nitrate is usually used for making IDs. As the concerned officer mentioned about the remote control, then he talked about the digital watches and everything, that again lead you that they were planning in a way the remote control IDs, because the ammonium nitrate is used for the IED. So it is more like an explosive that what they were trying to assemble. Whether they were trying the IED kind blast in the capital, national capital, or they were planning to take this material outside Delhi, or they were trying to ship the material to Jammu and Kashmir, because ultimately we are seeing the role of Jammu and Kashmir police in a bigger role here, because not only the doctors are the residents of the Kashmir Valley, but the activities, the weaponry that has been recovered, the first lead has come from the Kashmir Valley. So we are seeing the cargo unit of J&K police is again a part of the entire investigation. Then comes the role of the national agency like NIA, because the case is spanned from Jammu and Kashmir to Haryana, UP. So all these are multi-level probes for which the NIA will take up the probe to investigate further. The remote control IDs, if they were planning the kind of blast, so what were the plans? What was the kind of a plan, the kind of location? Who all people were helping them to transport this kind of explosive, which is quite dangerous. I mean, which is quite dangerous when you talk about the ammonium nitrate, and in such a huge quantity it has been recovered. Where from they all got? Were there any directions that had come from the Pakistan? Even the Pakistan, if they had given that, who were the people behind this kind of conspiracy from the Pakistan? Because if they they are the ones, the Jammu and Kashmir residents now living in the Pakistan, then we have to connect it with the raids that were taken place yesterday and day before, because in the last 2 days, if you take the graph of the Jammu and Kashmir police targeted the residents of those now living in Pakistan, but basically they have the base from the Kashmir Valley. Many of them, their in-laws have been searched, their families were scanned, they were detained, there were questioning, many digital and other evidences were to recover. Was there any conspiracy that were hatched from the central jail in Srinagar? Because in these raids, the central jail was seen in focus, the sub-district jails were in, because was it that the Jammu and Kashmir already had got the inputs and the arrests were made, the recovery was done, and that is why they have got the clues while grilling Muzammil or Adil, and they gave the clues that had come from inside the central jail or the sub-district jail or the relatives who were. So this is a big module, a big chain that is going to
Absolutely,
get
Zeenat.
into the entire network, and
Yes.
the investigation will unfold from here itself.
Absolutely. Zeenat, in fact, request you to stay with me. I will also get in Shambhavi, who was